Hello everyone, this is Mama Moto. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make organic almond milk for you today. This is an organic almond which I'm going to use to make this milk for you today. And I'm going to use the salt, Himalayan salt. Avoid refined salt. I'm going to use the honey. Okay, while I guide you through, I'm going to start by toasting this almond because I want to give it a flavor. Some people use vanilla, some people use strawberry for flavoring. But because this is an organic channel, I'm going to toast it just to give it flavor, roasting flavor while you drink it. Anyway, so please watch me while I guide you through how to make this almond. Now we'll finalize the making of this almond milk. Thank you so much for joining me. You could store this in the fridge maximum for 1 week, and you can use these to make your coffee, also for your baking and for smoothies. This is an organic platform. To please subscribe to my channel for your future organic food. Thank you so much. See you soon.